Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Chainlink, Link, on Crypto.com and want to move it over to XMO for better trading opportunities, you're in the right place. Today, we're walking through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to withdraw Chainlink from Crypto.com to XMO in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both your Crypto.com and XMO accounts set up and verified. In 2025, crypto platforms might have updated interfaces, so keep an eye out for any changes, but the core steps should remain similar. Start by logging into your Crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section where you can see all your assets. Next, locate your Chainlink tokens. Select Link from your portfolio, and then look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. This is where things get exciting. You're about to move your crypto. Before you proceed, you'll need your XMO wallet address. Head over to your XMO account, go to the deposit section, and copy the Link wallet address. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network, like Ethereum, since Chainlink typically runs on it. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds. Now, back on Crypto.com, paste the XMO wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Link you want to withdraw, and don't forget to check the network and any fees involved. These can vary based on market conditions in 2025. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll probably need to approve this through two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into XMO and check your wallet to confirm the Chainlink has arrived. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support teams you can reach out to. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn Chainlink from Crypto.com to XMO. This method keeps your transfers secure and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.